Hello, my name is Mike Bartley, and I'm here just to give you a quick overview of the new design verification course on the TechWorks Academy. It's hosted on Moodle, and I'm just going to take you through a sample of the full Moodle site, which will be available when the course starts. Now, if you want more information about the course, or if you want to actually get logged into this sample so you can go through it yourself, there's my email address, mike.bartley@techworks.org.uk. Alternatively, you can go to the TechWorks Academy website and go to the introduction to the semiconductor design verification, and you can see about the course there. You can contact me or register an inquiry. You can also see here the objectives for the course. There are 6 objectives. The last one's the main one, that by the end of the course you've got sufficient understanding of DV tools and methodologies that you can actually contribute to real projects. Now the course starts on 7th of February 2023, and it will run for 5 weeks on a Tuesday night, Wednesday night, Thursday night, online 4 p.m. to 5 p.m. each one of those nights. So that's 3 nights for 5 weeks, giving us 15 online lectures, online sessions. 7 of those are online lectures, 6 of them are online practical sessions, and there's also a couple of lectures on debug as well. So if I go back to this course now and take you through this, the main course will have the same structure and introduction exercises, talk about the simulators we're using, an introduction to VHDL and System Verilog also covers OSVVM and UVM as well. Just an introduction to those languages, enough to write test benches and run through those exercises. And then week 1 to 5 as mentioned. So in the introduction, for example, you get an overview of the course, which I've just been through on the website there. You get a bit about myself and a chance to introduce yourself as well. And in the exercise, I want to take you through a bit of the exercises just so you can see how comprehensive they are. So this Excel here, you can download and you can see the number of exercises. We've got a lot of VHDL exercises. Also, if you look across the top there, what you can see is the simulators we cover: Siemens, Cadence, Synopsys, Aldec, and a few free simulators as well: GHDL, Verilator, and Icarus. Those last 2 are just being added as I speak. So we've got VHDL, we've got UVM, we've got System Verilog, we've got some debug exercises as well. You're trying to find the bug in the design or the bug in the test bench. System Verilog, FIFO. The FIFO starts as an IP and then we attach it to an APB bus as well, so you can actually do some bus-based verification as well. And we do have CocoTB in the plan. So you can, those exercises which can be downloaded, so you can run them on your local platform as well, using your own licenses, either from your university or at your employer if you're in placement on your first job. And there's a file that just gives you an overview of the exercises as well. So I've mentioned the simulators we cover, and you get more information about the simulators there. Videos about how to run it in GUI or command line mode. As I said before, VHDL, OSVVM, System Verilog, UVM are covered. And if I look at just one of the weeks here, normally you'd have 3 lectures in here. This is a sample. We've got 1 lecture, and you can download that if you come onto this sample course. There's a recording of that video of that lecture as well, and all of the lectures will have a quiz at the end, just so you can review your understanding of it. And here you can just go. There's a preview of the course. A lot of it's about multiple choice or dragging the right words into the right box. So, for example, here, building the thing right is verification. Building the right thing is validation. And then as I say, there's lots of other quizzes as well, questions as well, and you can answer all of those. By the time you get to the end, you submit your answers, and then you'll see I got question 2 right. I didn't answer the others, and you've got the feedback immediately of what the answers are. And so you get that immediate feedback, which is important. And it also allows me to know whether you've actually done the quizzes or not. And with all of these activities, you can see we can mark them as done to know if you've actually done that. Now, at the end of the course, that means we can see that you've gone through the quizzes, that you've gone through the lectures, you've gone through the activities, you've gone through some of the exercises, and therefore we can give you a certificate of completion. Also, at the end of the course, there will be a test with a certain pass mark, and if you meet that pass mark, you also get a certificate of that pass grade. Okay, so if you want to know a bit more, contact me, mike.bartley@techworks.org.uk. I can also give you a login to this sample website, so you can see, you can actually go through this yourself as well. Alternatively, just do a search for TechWorks Academy Design Verification. Just type that into Google, or this shortened URL here, type that into Google, and you'll come to this page, and then you could submit your inquiry to me via this page as well. Okay, so hopefully that gives you a good overview, and I hope to see you on the course on 7th of February 2023. Thank you very much.